It doesn't matter what I say, it doesn't matter what I do. It seems I'm gonna have to change my look for you. Cause well, I've got two shoes, but they've been walked too far. And I think that we could float from evening to the stars. When I see you in the distance with your friends, I look around and then I look down at my threads. It's inappropriate that I should present like a retired matador with unpaid rent. So many nights I still think about you, and so many nights you step in and I walk through. So he doesn't care, step be still, comes his hand. So what am I supposed to do? Well, I bought a suit and I bought a top hat, and I put a red stripe down the side of my slack.